Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Huang with Hands-On Therapy Services. We help people in Miami, Florida with hand and shoulder problems be pain-free, be more active, and avoid things like having to take pills all the time, getting injections, and of course, avoiding surgery. Here at Hands-On Therapy Services, we know that people with hand and shoulder problems need help and clarity in terms of what's going on, whether you're trying to avoid the surgery or you've just had surgery. We want to be the resource for you. So here in our YouTube channel, we've got a lot of different videos. I'm constantly putting out new videos for you. So if you've got a specific question or a burning topic you would like me to talk about, then leave me a comment below so I can make sure I make a video just for you. Now, if you're somebody who's suffering with a specific problem, whether it be a shoulder problem like frozen shoulder or a problem like tennis elbow or carpal tunnel, then I've got some free guides on our website just for you. You can grab our free guides. I've got some tips on there for you and things to do, what not to do, at least to get you started. We've got some different ways in which you can be more clear in terms of what's wrong. And you know, everyone's got a little bit of a different problem, or maybe they've got different activities or different work or different things that they want to get back to doing. Sometimes, believe it or not, people suffer with arm and hand injuries for years, and I mean years, because they feel like because they can get through like their regular stuff, like, oh, I can drive, I can go to work, I can get dressed for the most part, you know, that it's not stopping me from doing anything. But believe it or not, people with hand and elbow and shoulder problems over time start to stop doing things that they really enjoy doing, whether it be a hobby, whether it be working out, or just being more active with your family and doing things. People start to slowly but surely stop doing stuff, and they feel like, they tell me all the time, I talk to tons of people all the time, they're like, well, it's not stopping me from doing anything, but they have, if I talk to them long enough, they have stopped working out, they've stopped taking care of their bodies, and they've stopped doing the things that they enjoy doing, like maybe doing different hobbies and activities with their kids or their husband or their wives, because these shoulder and hand problems like frozen shoulder or tennis elbow or carpal tunnel, it's not broken, right? So you can still move, you can still do stuff. It's just you've got this constant naggy achiness, and then one day when it becomes really, really painful and you can't move your arm, then that's when, you know, all hell breaks loose, right? And then you're really, really needing help. But we understand that everyone's on a different part of their journey, whether you're just looking for some information because you've got it and it's been nagging at you for like weeks and months, and someone who's a little bit more ready because it's been a couple years and they just want to become more active. And then there's some people who they need help right away because now it's like they can't take it anymore, they can't move their arm. And even people who really, they're the ones that, you know, they fell, they broke something, they cut a tendon, and now they've had surgery, and now they've stopped doing everything because of that. So if you're someone who's in the Miami area and you're looking for help for your hand, shoulder problems, elbow problems, and you've come to the right place, here our YouTube channel, you're going to find a lot of great videos for you. And let me know if there's something else you need. There's also free guides on our website that you can grab. And I've also written this book. It's called The Hands-On Approach, and it's available on Amazon for $19.99. You can grab it. I'm going to include the link below. You can grab it for yourself as well. But if you're in the Miami area and you're interested in knowing what advice and what tips I've gotten here for you, then give us a call and we'll make sure you get your own copy as well for a fraction of the price from Amazon, if I do say so myself. So we've got a couple of different options for you, but really the most important thing with what we do here at Hands-On Therapy Services is we want you to be clear in terms of what's going on, and that way you can decide what kind of help you need, what is the right place and that right help that you need, and then of course ensure lasting results, because you can actually live without being in pain. You can be more active, and you can also avoid doing things like taking pills all the time, avoiding injections, and of course, the most important thing, avoiding surgery. My name is Huang here with Hands-On Therapy Services. Let me know what else you need because I am here for you.